Hello guys, today I cannot speak because it's so tasty, really tasty. It's ginger cookies. Ginger cookies, beautiful and very easy way. You can make it and you will enjoy the real flavor of Christmas. You can cut different shape. You can use cutter. Even you can cut as a ginger house. You will regret if you don't do this recipe, and you can do this shape. I will show you how to make it very shiny, very easy technique, and you will laughing how milk do amazing varnish. Let's start. If this first time, my name is Ahmed Younes. I am pastry champion of Africa 2011. Please, if you like the video, you can make share. Also, you leave comment to teach us your experience and how can we improve. Let's start. 400 gram flour, 140 gram butter, 40 gram honey, 40 gram brown sugar, muscovado, 1 egg, 2 gram baking soda, 2 gram cinnamon, 2 gram ginger powder, 1 gram nutmeg, and 1 gram cloves. So, in beginning, we mix the spicy with dry ingredients. The spicy, you must make it exactly so you don't increase the flavor of the spicy. It will go wrong. So better to use a scale, digital scale, to make exactly measurement for the spicy. I use this spoon because this one it's give 1 gram if you don't have a gram. Muscovado sugar, there is brown one, very light, and there is a dark one. I like the dark one. It's make the dough really tasty and sweet. So 140 gram butter and then muscovado sugar. In this recipe, I increase to put baking powder. I do it in the end, but it's okay. You will see the difference. So you mix it by hand or hand mixer or blender or KitchenAid, whatever you prefer. If you make big quantity, you can use a big machine. So after butter and sugar becomes very creamy, I added 1 egg, 1 fresh egg. And then honey. You can add it instead of honey, molasses, and molasses give a really nice texture to the dough. It looks like wood. Or you can put corn syrup. So honey or molasses or corn syrup. But I prefer honey because it gives more aroma and more flavor. You mix all, and now it's time to add the dry ingredients. This is the flour and this is the spicy. As I said, in this way I forgot to put this half gram of salt. I forgot in the beginning to add the baking soda, but I added later on, you will see, and doesn't make big difference. Be patient to make. I here after I make the dough, I remember the baking soda is 2 gram, so I put 2 spoon, and then I mix it again. So to be sure that the whole dough is getting mixed. The best way, of course, to add it to the flour. Anyway, the whole recipe I will write it down in description box below the video. I keep it in the fridge for 2 hours, and the best to keep it overnight. I was hurried to make the video, so I didn't keep the right time in the fridge. Then I use cutter, round cutter, whatever cutter you like. You see is 3 millimeter high. This is very important. The height of the dough, it make difference. And then I have some shapes you can press and give effect. This Christmas tree. Or you can use whatever shape or mold you can do. You have very nice recipe. Anyway, then you added. This is the trick. You polish all the cookies with fresh milk, just fresh milk. No eggs, no any additional thing. Just fresh milk. You brush all the dough and you will see shiny, beautiful, looks like varnish in the wood. I bake in the oven 200 degree for 10 minutes. You see after 5 minutes it's increased like 3 millimeter high and comes very beautiful taste. See, it's like varnish.